Agency approval. XI. Agency logs in. Example: enter username. Enter password. Click OK. XII. Select on single window tab. XIII. Select agency. XIV. Click on search application. XV. Select my application list and activate the application to start audit. XV1. Audit and verify all required information. XVI. Move to the Item tab and approve item or items. XVIII. Move to the Approval tab. Select approval status. Key in remarks and save. XIX. Click on the Complete tab, bottom right, to approve the application. Thank you for completing the MDA application process.